Hello everyone, Pokehero here, and today we're going to be opening some more Pokemon cards. Like last time, I've got some more Shining Fates, but I also got 2 packs of Vivid Voltage and a pack of Battle Styles. But I got one more extra thing to show. Ta-da! When I went to my local game shop, I was given this Skull Bunny promo. Let's open it. There he is. That's a very nice card. When I was looking online for prices, I noticed that the most common was $19.99. So I'd say that's how much the card's worth. I'm just gonna put you in a little sleeve for now. So yeah, with that out of the way, let's get opening. I think I will start with the Battle Styles pack. Let's see. Oh, oops. Here's the code. Oh, oops. Alright. Okay, I think it's 1, 2, 3 to the front. Oh, never mind, I did it wrong. We got Cedra. Oh, I messed that up. Oops. Alright. Oh, here's the energy. We got a Dark Energy. Dottler. Fan of Waves. Scatterbug. Cubone. Murkrow. Tepig, Honedge, Jellicent Hollow, and a Lurantis. Not a great first pack, but we still got more to go. Okay, I'm gonna go with the monkey. Okay, let's actually make sure I got all the cards out this time. Alright. So here's the code. 1, 2, 3 to the front. Get rid of the energy. So we got Swoobat, Loudred, Substriker, Joltik, Cottonea, Mudbray, Slugma, Whismur, oh no way, I just saw what the last card was. Oh, Order, and I literally saw it. It's a shiny Oranguru. Oranguru, let's go. Alright, you get a sleeve as well. Alright, let's do the thick Pikachu now. Alright, here's the code. 1, 2, 3 to the front. Get rid of the energy. So we got a Flareon. A Hollow Dusclops. A Voltorb. A Poochyena, a Shuppet, a Phanpy, Seedot, Metang, Woodon Stadium, and a Galvantula. Alright, that was another not really great pack, but on to the main attraction. If you saw my last opening video, you would know I opened the Tedenne one of this one. This time I've got the Bunnelby one. Let's get it open, shall we? Oh. So here we got the little Bunnelby pin and the Bunnelby promo card. Packs and a code. There you go for you guys out there. Let's start with the one with the Charizard, shall we? Alright. Code. 1, 2, 3 to the front. Get rid of the energy. So we got a... Oh no way! We have a full-on bird keeper. That's the third good card. Nice. I was not expecting that to be the first card we get out of this pack. Okay, so we got a hollow foil Yama, I don't know which it is. A Morpeko, a Grookey, a Horsey, a Coffin, a Shinx, Gym Trainer, Tropius, and Team Yell Towel. Alright, so next is one of the Dragapult packs. Oh, I nearly cut one of the cards. Oh, that was a close one. Alright, so code. 1, 2, 3 to the back. Get rid of the fire energy. Alright, first we got Professor's Research with Professor... No, that's not... Wait, which one is that? Juniper? Is that her name? Alright, so we have a Cacnea, another Horsey, another Morpeko, another Coffin, Yammer again, Trapinch, Wacky, Bull Guy, and Rusted Sword. Final pack of the video. This could be the best one yet, or this could be the worst one. Let's have a look. Get the code out. Alright, so 1, 2, 3 to the back. Get rid of the energy. Another Professor Research. Oh, nice! A shiny Indeedee. You get a... Wait, I forgot what they're called for a second. Sleeve. We got a Q-Font, Bull Guy, another Team Yell Towel, Wacky, Shootle, another Morpeko, another Cacnea, and another Horsey. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys did enjoy, and if you did, please subscribe to my channel for more Pokemon and gaming content. And I'll see you all later. Bye!